Time for Exact Notes. It's just Exact Notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Hello and welcome to How to Play Mary Had a Little Lamb on piano in under 2 minutes. We've got a little bit of work to do, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my blue dry erase marker. And we have to find 2 black keys, not 3 black keys, 2 black keys in the middle of the piano. And before the first one, we'll write the letter C. The between them is D, and the third one is E. And then let's go down an octave to the next set of 2 black keys, and before the first one, we're going to write the letter C, and then the letter D. For young beginners, the easiest way to start is just with our pointer fingers, and we'll start with our left pointer finger on C and our right pointer finger on E, and we're going to play them at the same time, like this. E, D, C, D, and then together again. E, E, and then a rest. Now D's together. Rest, and then C and E again. 2, 3, rest. C and E, D, C, D, C and E. 2, 3, 4. D's together. And then E, D, and then C for 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole song. For more of the easiest way to start piano on your own from home, come check out my virtual courses and introduce yourself at exactnotes.com.